Do you need to collect responses from an HTML or web form without a complex server setup or writing backend code? Maybe you want a Google Forms alternative where you design your own custom HTML form and keep full control over how it looks. This is the tool you need. First, install the add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. The link is in the first comment. Or visit forms.codeaddon.com and get the add-on from there. Once it's installed, open any Google Sheet. Click the Extensions menu, find HTML Forms to Sheets, and open the sidebar. The sidebar opens right here. Walk through the quick onboarding and you'll land on this page. Now click Create Form link. Your form is created. It's linked to this spreadsheet and to this specific sheet tab, so every response lands here. Don't delete this tab. You can rename the form anytime. Now you have two options. Copy the submission URL and paste it into your existing HTML Forms action field. Or copy the ready-made HTML code and test it in a tool like CodePen. Need more detail? Click the Docs button for a full guide. You can even paste the docs into an AI assistant and have it build the form for you. Check the Templates section for ready-made forms, and there's a no-code form generator on our website if you'd rather not write any HTML at all. Once your form is live, submit it. The response appears in your sheet instantly. Click the Analytics button to see how your forms are performing. Submissions over time, your most used fields, and which pages are sending you traffic. Next, form settings. The core features are free. Some advanced ones are on paid plans. Cloud Backup keeps a copy of every submission on our servers. If your sheet is ever damaged or rows get deleted, you can export to CSV or restore them straight back into your sheet. You can also control exactly what happens after someone submits. Show a custom message, show your own custom HTML, or redirect them to any page you choose. Need to connect other tools? Set a webhook and every submission can trigger any API you like. That means you can plug straight into automation platforms like N8N or Zapier. In email settings, turn on notifications. You'll get an email the moment a new submission comes in, so you never have to keep refreshing your sheet and you never miss a response. And here's the most powerful feature: auto response. Set a default reply or build smart rules, and the add-on emails the person back automatically, personalized with their own answers. Your form keeps replying to people around the clock even while you sleep. In the account section, you can see your usage and limits. Paid users can click Manage Billing to open the Stripe portal and handle subscriptions, payment methods, and invoices there. There are 3 plans: Free, Essential, and Pro. Pick whichever suits you. The free plan is genuinely free, forever. If you have any questions, reach out by email or use the contact form on our website. Thanks for watching.